Hey there, guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, I am super excited to be doing a review of the incredible bomber jacket MA1 Air Force Pilot, casual new arrival military style men thick fleece velvet coat winter male green blue khaki. This jacket is an absolute game-changer for your winter wardrobe, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the quality of this jacket. The materials used are top-notch, and you can really feel the durability and warmth as soon as you put it on. The thick fleece velvet lining makes this jacket perfect for those chilly winter days, and the military-style design gives it a timeless classic look that you just can't beat. Not only is this jacket practical and stylish, but it also comes in 3 fantastic colors: green, blue, and khaki. That means you can find the perfect option to suit your personal style and make a bold statement with your outerwear. But wait, there's more. The functionality of this jacket is just unbeatable. With multiple pockets and a secure zip closure, you can keep all your essentials safe and easily accessible. Plus, the ribbed collar, cuffs, and hemline ensure a snug fit that locks in warmth and keeps the cold out. If you're still not convinced, let me tell you about the versatility of this jacket. You can dress it up for a night out or throw it on with jeans and a shirt for a casual, cool look. It's the ultimate way to stay warm and stylish all winter long. So, if you're ready to upgrade your winter wardrobe and stay warm in style, you definitely need to check out the bomber jacket MA1 Air Force Pilot, casual new arrival military style men thick fleece velvet coat winter male green blue khaki. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment letting us know which color you'll be picking up. Happy shopping!